welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a quick get ready with me everyday natural makeup look, and I feel like this wig is definitely giving natural hair vibes as well. So today's wig is from Rpghair and I'm working with their 8-inch silky straight barb. It just looks so natural and the hair quality is really good. So the wig came pre-plucked and it came pre-bleached as well, so all I had to do was just to install and style the wig, and here we are. So if you guys want to see how I got this whole look together, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. I'm just going to start off by applying some foundation on the lace just to help that match my skin tone a lot better. The wig came pre-plucked and it came pre-bleached as well, so I'm literally installing this wig straight out of the box.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go with the negativity, with that broken mentality, jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go with that. Jump on, my bad. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, working all day. Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
Okay, so I've done my eyebrows. I've done my eyebrows off camera, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and hot comb the top of my wig.
I've been doing my best.
I think to make this really flat, I'm literally gonna have to go in and do it like this.
Taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go with the negativity, with that broken mentality, jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics to you.
Okay, so we're going to move on to makeup now, and for foundation today I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and the shade I'm using is Spiced Rum.
You're like the sound, seeking approval constantly. When it's my
I'm going to set my eyelid with some translucent powder. Just apply a small amount all over my eyelid. I don't usually do my brows before my foundation, but today I said, do you know what, let me just do my eyebrows and get them out of the way. So now I'm just going to go in with a bronzer. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade MOCHA MAMI and just apply that all over my lid. I always like dragging my eyeshadow like literally like towards the start of my brows. I feel like it just kind of gives your nose a definition. I don't know if you can tell the difference on this side compared to this side.
truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on cut when it gets hard. Stay on my job.
I'm going to use my Mercier concealer and use this to conceal first, and then I'm going to use a brighter concealer to highlight. So I'm going to start blending from my chin and then make my way up basically. So
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics to your like the sound, seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a
Okay, so here's the finished look, guys. This is what the wig looks like. I feel like this whole look today is just giving natural everyday makeup look. This bob is definitely giving natural hair vibes, and like I said, this wig is from Rpghair and this is the 8-inch bob. What I really like about the hair is the lace, especially the lace is so good. The lace is really good. The wig came pre-styled, it came pre-bleached, and it came pre-plucked as well, literally. So the density of the wig is 180, and this is the silky straight hair. Honestly, the hair quality is so good. I don't know if you guys can see how the hair itself is just moving without me having to do much to it. Like, the hair quality is really good. So I'll definitely recommend Rpghair wigs. All their wigs, every time I've worked with them, has been good quality, literally. So yeah, I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.